Talking too long. Such a bore. Yay. Hi, love, and welcome back to Paris Faster Positivity and Tuesday's Talk, our weekly space to connect with each other. In the last 2 weeks, I have been talking about why I quit creating content for Instagram and how social media rewires, kind of rewrites the brain. Today, I want to go even deeper because attention is not just focus, attention is energy. And where your attention goes, your whole life follows. So, if you have been feeling distracted, this talk is for you. Oh God, this talk is for you. So, what attention really means? Let's keep this one very simple. So, attention is your ability to stay with something, to stay with a thought, a feeling longer, to stay in the moment, in the present moment, and with yourself. When attention is healthy, you can listen deeply, enjoy simple things and moments in your life, being able to stay present, feeling connected, and being able to finish what has been started. And on the other side, when the attention is weaker or it's disturbed, life starts to feel rushed, shallow, and overwhelming, unfinished, and unsatisfying. That's why social media is stealing something more important than time. It's stealing the attention. It breaks it down into tiny pieces. So the question is how social media is training the brain to escape. Social media works by interruptions. What do I mean? So every a few seconds, something pulls up and pulls you away. Look here. No, look there. Now this. Now that. That's why the brain never settles. It never finishes even a thought. And over time, your brain learns something very, very, very important. Don't stay, don't go deep, escape when things get uncomfortable, quiet, escape when feelings show up. And this is how attention gets hijacked. Slowly, gently, even without us noticing. And the interesting, pardon, the interesting thing is that why this results to fatigue or being tired. Because the system needs rhythm, pauses, breaks, rest, every system. But social media creates fast and shallow novelties, constant, constant image of uh, better life, perfection, and simply keeping us on fight or flight mode. So you are lying on the couch and you're scrolling on the sofa and you're scrolling, and your body is still on. That's why scrolling on Instagram feels tired, tiring. Like you feel tired after it. And silence feels uncomfortable. Bedrooms, they feel scary. And my dear friend, nothing wrong with you. So here is this fact that the real life costs lots of attention. When attention always is pulled outward, you may notice that you are checking your phone without even thinking about it. You struggle to read or finish things. Long texts, you know, and you feel restless when things slow down. You miss moments while you are living in it. And conversations, they feel shallow. Your joy feels smaller, feels nothing. And it's not because you don't care, it's because your attention has been trained away from the present moment. And attention is how we touch life, you know? When attention weakens, life feels far away. And here's my personal experience. When I stepped away from Instagram, I didn't just got my time back. I start to notice my attention and how to get it back. Sitting longer without reaching to my phone had been the result of it. And I could sleep better. I go to sleep easy generally, but yeah, without social media, it's even better. And I could sit with my thoughts. At first, it felt so uncomfortable, very quiet, and honestly boring. I understand you. I get you, my friend. But wait for it because something beautiful gonna happen. Life will feel fuller and not louder, but fuller. And and something really important that I realized is that attention is the is the beauty of the life. And when you get it back, even simple moments, simple things, they start to feel rich again. And you may ask why attention matters so much? Because attention shapes your creativity, how you approach your relationships, how you enjoy your life, your each moment. If your attention is always somewhere else, your life will feel lost too. And I'm sure you have experienced it if you are using social media in some kind of way. And real life is needing, it needs awareness, it needs concentration. And here is how you can reclaim your attention. And this is not about deleting applications. mm, it's not even about discipline or forcing yourself. It's just about being aware. For example, you can take one walk without your phone, or one meal without scrolling, one one moment when you open your app, just be aware, just see yourself. One moment of noticing when you want to escape, and each time you stay, even for a few seconds, that's enough because you are training your attention and it gets stronger and stronger. And please remember, being bored is not your enemy. Being bored is the moment of quiet that you have with yourself. Maybe you need more present moments. So, before I leave today's talk, if you feel disconnected, tired, or fatigued, you are not broken. Your attention has been hijacked, borrowed for too long. And the good news is attention can be reclaimed, presence can be rebuilt, and life can feel full. We all deserve a full life. Thank you for being here and thank you for listening. I would appreciate you sharing your experiences in the comment section. Sharing is caring, my friend. So please, anyway, thank you for being here. See you next week.